Well, good Tuesday morning, everyone. While we are still tracking a few clouds in the sky, it is a drier start to the day, but not nearly as comfortable as what we have been tracking each morning, really over the last 2 weeks, because this morning we're back into the 70s and the 80s. So those summer temperatures, they have returned not just for this morning, but even throughout the afternoon. 81 degrees for that temperature currently as you step out the door on Hilton Head, and 79 degrees in Hampton. We are starting off the day with a few coastal rain showers. Most of the rain is remaining off the coast. We are still tracking 1 or 2 light rain showers. These are not the downpours or slow moving storms we have been tracking over the last couple of mornings. Now, the good news is that trough has continued to fade away. It's pulling further away from the east coast. That will help dry us out for a little bit throughout the day. As we head into the second half of the day, we are back to tracking those sea breeze storms, but that coverage and, of course, the chance for the slow moving storms is on the lower end compared to the last few days. Overall, though, still tracking some coastal rain showers for the first half of the day. The sea breeze storms fire up through the second half, and we're back to tracking our temperatures in the mid 80s by at least lunchtime, and then back into the low 90s for highs throughout the afternoon. Our average high temperature for this time of year, right at 91 degrees, and we'll see a seasonably hot day overall as we are getting back to feeling more like summer, which also means the humidity is going to increase as well, back into that triple-digit heat as high as 105 degrees in spots later on this afternoon. So overall, we are closer to average for today, comparing it to the last couple of days, as most of our high temperatures have been in the low to mid 80s. It's been comfortable throughout the afternoon. We say goodbye to that for at least a little bit as we head into the next couple of days. But as we time everything out throughout our Tuesday, tracking a few coastal rain showers for the first half of the day. Then gradually as we head into the afternoon, there's that sea breeze. It kicks in, and we begin to track those scattered sea breeze storms throughout the afternoon hours. Into this evening, there will be a few storms that could very well pack a punch with strong gusty wind, but it's just back to that typical summertime pattern with those sea breeze storms, not just for today, but all the way into our weekend, as our high temperatures remain right around average in the lower 90s. And of course, those feel-like temperatures, they're going to remain in the triple digits. Now, in case you missed it, yesterday morning, we did have our next tropical storm form well out in the Atlantic Ocean. We now have Tropical Storm Erin, winds of 45 miles per hour, and it does have the chance of becoming our first hurricane of the 2025 season by the end of the week, and possibly also the first major hurricane as we head into late in the weekend, at least by Sunday, a major hurricane category 3. Our next steering current will be that area of high pressure out in the Atlantic Ocean. It'll continue to drift Erin westward. Most models do have it steering around that area of high pressure, staying off the east coast. So we'll continue to look at that as we head towards the weekend into very early next week. But for back here at home, we're back to tracking that typical summertime pattern through the next couple of days.